If your MedSpa still runs on a phone system from 2010, it is not just old equipment. It is a hole in your revenue you cannot see on any report. Here is the test. A caller reaches your voicemail. 85% of them never call back. 62% call a competitor instead. You paid for that call with your marketing, and you handed it to the practice down the street. Look at the 5 signs. Sign 1. Your phone system is a box in a closet, brittle under volume, unable to talk to your calendar or your records. Sign 2. Your voicemail box is a graveyard. In 2010, it was an upgrade. In 2026, it is a sieve. Sign 3. Your call menu still asks the caller to navigate your org chart. Press 1, press 2, press 3 to repeat. The caller wants an answer. Your menu makes them do labor. Sign 4. Nothing integrates, so every booking is a rekeying exercise that costs a coordinator's full attention. Sign 5. You cannot say how many calls you got last Tuesday, how many were answered, or how many booked. You are flying blind on the highest value funnel you own. I do not fix this by replacing your team. I fix it with a front line that never sends a caller to voicemail. It answers inside 2 rings, reads and writes your live calendar, anchors the deposit, and routes anything real to a person. Answer rate moves from about 65% to over 97%. After-hours revenue, once 0, becomes a line item. Your coordinator stops triaging the phones and goes back to the patient in the room. Staff elevated, not eliminated. That is the difference between plumbing and infrastructure. VoIP is plumbing. Plumbing alone does not book a consult. What a premium practice needs is a lifelike automation built around your protocols, engineered as revenue recovery infrastructure. If even 2 of those signs landed, the fastest way to see your own number is an intake leak audit. We pull your call records, model the leak against your ticket size, and hand you back the annual figure. About 30 minutes. Request your intake leak audit at thethinkingrobot.com or talk to Rosey directly at 720-776-1664.